gonna teach you that. Are you ready to learn? Set? Okay, here we are. So now I am going to start teaching you. First step, if you use a rectangle, it's okay, but we need a square paper. So I'm going to make this into a square. If you don't know it, copy me. Make this edge touch to this edge and align it nicely. Make it very nice and sharp. Okay, here you see, I'm done. Okay, I'm gonna fold this. Can you see the line over here? I'm gonna fold this back or front. It's your choice. I'm gonna do it back. Okay, fine. How do you know where this line? And this part has to be exact. If it's not, almost the whole thing is gone, I guess. I fold it back, unfold, flip it over, fold it this way. Sharp. Now, and do it one more time. So now, as you see, I did it nice and sharp. You can choose any way, but now we have to tear it. We have to unfold this first, and we have to make this go up. You can choose any one side that has to go up. I choose, and you have to make the back side go up, so it will be easier. So I'm going to keep my hand like this and make it go up. At the edge, see it's starting to get tear. Here you go, a square sheet. So now the first step is already done this. Now which side this, so this has to be like, to me it has to be like this. So when it's a valley fold like this, you have to unfold, then you have to do another valley fold, so it becomes like a cross. Then it will become like a cross. Okay, guys. Grease is nice and sharp. Now as we see, we have two valleys like this. So now I'm going to flip it over and make one straight line in between. So you're going to like this. And now I'm going to unfold and fold. So now you see one is like this. We need to make one more, but this time. So we first made it sleeping. Now we are going to make it standing. But do not flip it over. Now as you see, we have this. Can you see these two things? This hole like this. I am going to hold this with my hand, with both of my hands, and then I'm going to just pinch this forward. Can you see what I got here? Okay. Now I'm going to leave it. Okay. Now I'm going to unfold this, and now why I did that to make it easier for you guys. Now we can flip it over and keep it like this. Now can you see this fold? There's going to be like a crease for us. I'm going to you can choose any side, and I'm going to just put my hands on this V and fold it inside. So this also turns into one wheel. Like this. We cut out this. Okay. Like this. See? We cut out that part. Okay. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to make it back to the first one. I don't know why am I repeating this so many times. Yeah, okay, fine. Now we got this line nice and sharp because we did that. See, can you see this crease right here? We got it nice and sharp because we did that. Okay, fine. Now we have it nice and sharp. I'm going to fold this till the middle line. And repeat now. Yeah. And now I'm going to repeat on the other side. This, okay. I have this now. I'm going to fold. Okay, now how do you know which side to fold? Can you see this thing coming up? So the down part of the, so it has to come big to small like this. To small. And the closing part has to come on top. Now, you see. Okay. Now I'm going to fold the closing part on top of this line. This. Okay, now I'm going to unfold these two flaps. And now I'm going to fold one layer over here. As you see, there are two layers. I'm going to fold one of them only. Okay. Now I'm see. There are two layers. I'm going. You don't like in the other tutorials. You see that we match this over here, but in this one we have to match this end to this V over here. I'm going to repeat on the other side. Stick your finger inside. Done. As you see, I'm done with this. I'm going to now unfold this. And now I'm going to repeat the same sort of thing the other side. So this is what I'm going to make it down. Now I repeat it on the other side also. So now we are going to make the star box by turning one flap over, and then I'm going to fold this to the middle crease over here. And you see this crease over here. I'm going to fold it till there. I'm going to repeat on the other side. Now I'm going to put back the flap. You may recognize that too, but don't. But you still have to put this one back over here. I mean over here, not over here. If you put it like this, how does that match? So I'm gonna put it over here. Now I'm going to turn one more page over here and repeat the same sort of thing. Now again, put this back. I have this now. Can you see this flap coming out? I'm going to fold that as much deep as I can. Now next page, do the same thing. Unfold. Next page, the same sort of thing. Then unfold. Turn it over. The same sort of thing. Now as we see, we have this. Now we are going to open up this thing. Can you see this? I'm going to open up this. Can you see how does this form? So this. See, it's a star over here and it's a box. That's why it's called as a star box. Now, as you see over here, can you see this V shaped? I'm going to pinch on that. Let this go back. Pinch. Pinch. See, this is what I got. Sweet. And now I'm going to skip this one and go to the next one. Pinch. And now see what I got. I got this. Now I'm going to push the center in. See, this is what it will be like this. And now I'm going to close this. And now I'm going to make this like sort of this. And then over here also you have the same thing. Just pull the this mouth over here. Oh, it's not a mouth. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to push this back. That's how I did the other one. And I keep pushing it back. It's done. Now I'm going to make it like this. I can chop the pieces. Okay, done this. This looks like a boat, but now it's going to turn into a yak. Yeah, okay, yak. Okay. And now I'm going to fold this edge to this edge over here. I'm going to repeat on the other side like this. It may cross, but it's okay. Now, can you see this crease over here? Like a V on top. Okay. Now I'm going to fold it till there, but almost till there. Not exactly till there. About quarter a centimeter. Okay. I got it. Now now to shape I'm going to put an extra eye over here. This. Repeat just like this. Okay, we are done with it. We have this. Now I'm going to fold this down. Now can you see it's a yak? Its eyes, its nose, I don't know. Its mouth will be somewhere here. Its horns. I fold this down. Its horns. See that? Okay, fine. It's a yak now. We are going to repeat the same sort of thing the other side. This. Let it cross. If it crosses, then quarter a centimeter here, and then your eyes for shape. And now fold the head down. Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna wait for you. Okay, I guess you're done now. Now, can you see the middle one over here? I'm going to like open up that, like by separating up these two. Now, can you see this? Now I'm going to flip this over and keep this like this. Now is the tough part. I'm going to like force all of this down, so it comes like this. The end. It may get squashed up, but that's the whole point. Okay, now we're done with this thing. Almost done with the whole thing. Now I'm going to do the same thing. Push this down and get it up. And repeat on this side. Push this down and make it get up. Okay, here you see, I have this. Now I'm going to like do the same thing, but this time on the top. And we are going to make it like a V shape from inside. Upward. Like this. However big your bird's head wants to be. Mine will be about this much. So this is its head, this is its tail, this is its wings, and this is the boat. And now I can flap it nicely by pulling its head and its tail. Flapping bird boat. Yay! Thanks for seeing my channel. Please subscribe and ring the bell icon for more notifications.